Happy birthday,
honey.
happy birthday,
Honey,
happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
honey,
happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
honey.
Happy birthday, Auntie!
Happy birthday, honey.
Enjoy your day.
More birthdays to come!
More blessings to come.
Stay healthy.
More happiness. Cheers sa 40th birthday.
We
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. See you here in Vancouver, Canada.
Nice!
Auntie.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day!
Have fun.
We love
We
you!
love you. Mwah.
Hello, Annie. Si Kuya ulit. Grabe. Ang bilis na panahon. Nasa 40s na tayo. So, welcome sa 40s Club! Ayan. So, yun na nga. Parang kailan lang mga nakikipaglaro pa tayo. Bumabiyahe magkasama. Those were the incredible days. So, on your birthday, I want you to create more awesome memories that will remind you how strong and incredible person you are. I want you to stay positive and, of course, always healthy. I know that you have this hope and confidence na ma-overcome lahat ng challenges, and that's what I admire you most. So, yeah, happy birthday! Payakap muna. I love you.
Birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Auntie. Happy birthday, Mommy Auntie.
Wow. Happy birthday, May.
Happy birthday.
Stay young and healthy. God bless you always.
Hi, May! Happy 40th birthday! Oh my God, 40 but you look like 18 lang naman. Thank you for everything. You're the best sister-in-law ever.
Happy birthday, ate. And thank you for pabango, boss.
See you soon, May! Bye!
Uy, Kemar, wala ka ba nakalimutan ngayon?
Ay, oo nga pala. Mare, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true, no matter
Hello, it's me. Long time no see. I just want to greet you a happy 40th birthday. Truly, life begins at 40. And I just want to look back. I think we've known each other for more than half of our lives now, which is kind of like cool. I don't know, but we're all growing old. And I think the only thing that I can wish for you is peace of mind. Of course, a healthy mind, a healthy body, healthy spirit. And good night's sleep and quality time, of course, with the people that you hold dear. That's Jemar, Gab, and the rest of your family. So all I wish is happiness and good life overall. So see you soon. Happy birthday. Bye.
Surprise! Hi, Best! Hello! So, nagtataka ka ba't kami tumawag kanina? So, ito talaga yun. Yes! Tumakas lang talaga kami para matapos yung video. Well, ano bang masasabi ko kay Honey? We've been friends for more than 3 decades, I guess. So,
Since 1994.
Yes, 1994. So, ibig sabihin, ganun ka nakatanda, guys. Parang ako yung fondest memory ko sa kanya, si Honey, is nung high school kasi kami, lagi ang secretary, best in writing yan. As in, pag sinabi mong best in writing, 4 na blackboard yung sinusulatan niya.
Ulit-ulit siya doon.
Correct.
At lahat ng subject.
Tama. So, pati yung mga reports ko dati nung nag-aaral pa kami, siya rin yung nagsusulat kasi maganda nga siya magsulat. So, tutulungan niya ako sa mga pagsusulat sa mga reports. Tapos, at the same time, ako naman yung nagsusulat sa notebook niya. So, since nagsusulat siya sa blackboard, hindi na siya makapagsulat sa notebook. So, ako na lang yung magsusulat sa notebook niya. At saka, ito kasing kaibigan ko na to, itong si Honey, siya talaga yung best friend ko. As in, for life na yan talaga. Sila ni Sunny, silang dalawa talaga, yung pinaka-best of the best of the best. At saka, ito kasing kaibigan natin na to, sobrang simple niya, di ba? As in, sobrang simple niya. Hindi niya alam kung gaano siya kaganda, kabuti. Hindi niya alam kung gaano siya, yung pagiging simple niya, how she lights up the room pag nandyan siya. Sa kanya talaga kami natutong tumawa ng malakas kasi mahinhin kami ni Sunny. Siya talaga yung nagturo sa amin. Mukha siyang tahimik, pero siya talaga yun. At saka itong kaibigan ko na to kasi, never na sa tagal ng pagsasama namin, never mo maramdaman na mag-isa ka kasi nandyan siya palagi. Hindi, not palaging physically kasi may mga ano na rin kami priorities kasi syempre may mga pamilya
na sila.
Oo, pero palagi siyang nandyan. Every time na kailangan mo siya or may nasend siya na kakaiba or may nakita siyang maganda, ganun siya ka-generous. Hindi lang siya maganda sa panlabas, lalo na sa panloob. As in, sobrang buti niyang tao, sobrang buti niyang babae, sobrang buti niyang kaibigan. So we would like to take this opportunity na batiin siya on a milestone in her life na 40 years old na siya. I mean, age is just a number.
Hindi halata sa kanya.
Yes, oo. Ano, sabi ko, bakit parang wala nagbago? Parang 16 pa rin siya.
Mixi na yung hair niya.
Correct.
From haba nung grade 3 hanggang mixi ngayon.
So, ayun, para sa akin, ganun siyang klaseng kaibigan. So, at saka itong yung best friend ko na to, itong best friend namin ni Sunny na to is, never kanya talagang pababayaan in your highs, in your downs. Andyan siya palagi. So,
siya palagi.
Yes, lagi na
Sa lahat ng event, hindi lang event lahat ng pangyayari. Magme-message sa'yo, kukumustahin ka, yung ganon.
At saka, di ba, si Honey, siya yung palagi mo nakakasama kapag may errands or may kailangan kang pupuntahan. Ayan.
Ako kasi ang fondest ko sa kanya, elementary pa lang, tatahimik lang siya. Pero ang lupit na mag-10-20 at mag-jackstone. Talagang, kumbaga, pag yung mga game na ganyan, yung may mother, kukunin mo talaga siyang mother kasi talaga isa-save ka niya.
Correct.
Isa siyang malupit. Hindi siya active sa sports na iba. Pero pag jackstonein mo siya, lahat alam niya yung mga special
yung exhibition.
Mga exhibition. Caring niya yun. Solve niya yun. Jasmine kasi is someone na talaga. Yun nga, so lang sinabi niya yung kahit ano mangyari, andyan siya. nasasaktan ka, masaya ka, mararamdaman at mararamdaman mo siya. Tsaka, isang bagay, si Teresa ay mataray, ako ay suplada. So si Jasmine ang pampakalma namin.
Correct, pambalanse.
Yung tipong, pag naiinis na kami, mas maririnig namin si Jasmine na i-explode sa salita siya, mahihiya na lang kami na bumugan ng apoy. kasi sa sobrang kalma niya na parang affected siya, sasaktan siya halimbawa, or may mga bagay na hindi maganda, pero kaya niyang i-maintain yung pagiging kalmado niya, pagiging tahimik niya. Talagang grabe yun. Grabe niya kung paano i-handle.
That's one thing na meron siya na wala kami. Class.
Yes. Isang malaking yes.
Kasi talagang sa barkada namin, kumbaga kami ni Sunny, para kami yung kanal. Siya talaga, alta yan si Honey. Well, kidding aside, happy birthday, Bes. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I mean, siguro sa buhay natin na to, in our lifetime, tayo nila Sunny din. Para talagang tayong tatlo na talaga yung forever.
Yes.
So, yung mga asawa natin, sorry kasi kami talaga yung forever. Kami talaga yung forever. So, happy birthday sa'yo.
Birthday!
Matatawa kapag nakita mo tong video na to. Kasi ito yung short notice na tinawagan ka namin. Napunta ka dito.
Last minute!
Correct. Happy birthday!
Kunyari mga dahilan, pero ito talaga yun. Happy birthday! Love you!
Love you! Bye-bye!
I never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own. I'll make the moves up as I go, and that's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the player's gonna play, and the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake, shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, and the faker's gonna fake, baby. I'm just gonna shake, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. I shake it off, 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 I shake it off. Yeah, 'cause the player's gonna play, and the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake, I shake it off, I shake it off. Heartbreaker's gonna break, and the faker's gonna fake, baby. I'm just gonna shake, I shake it off, I shake it off, shake it off, I 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 shake it off, shake it off, I shake it off, I shake it off, I shake it off. You got to shake it off, I shake it off. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Everything will be alright if you keep me next to you. You don't know about me, but I'll bet you want to. Everything will be alright if we just keep dancing like we're 22. It seems like one of those nights. This place is too crowded, too many cool kids. It seems like one of those nights we ditch the whole scene and end up dreaming